Welcome everyone. This is a brief overview on how to use REC Foundation's Live Remote Skills Event Console. To get started, open a Google Chrome browser. We highly recommend using Google Chrome to ensure Event Console works as intended. Next, go to console.liveremoteskills.org. If you are a team, you will want to click on the Login with Robot Events button. If it's your first time logging in, you will need to give Event Console access to your Robot Events account. Simply type in your normal Robot Events login. You will now see all the teams in your organization that are registered for the event. Click on the team you want to log in as. If you have multiple teams in the same organization, you can open a new tab and log in using the same process. You are now logged into the Event Console. As a reminder, please make sure your entire team acts in accordance to the REC Foundation's Code of Conduct. Misuse of the Event Console could result in disqualification from the event. When you are logged in, you will notice there are several tabs. First, we'll go to Inspection. When it's time for you to queue for inspection, simply click the Enter Queue button. You will then see yourself added to the inspection queue. If you need to leave the queue for whatever reason, simply hit Leave Queue. Please only enter the inspection queue when you are ready for inspection. This means you have your robot, sizing tool or tape measure, adult representative is present, field is set up and ready to go, and your camera is in position. This ensures that the inspection process goes smoothly and quickly. When a referee is ready to inspect your team, you will see a video pop up on your screen. If it's your first time using Event Console, Google Chrome will ask for your permission to use your camera and microphone. Be sure to select the correct devices. One of our referees will then guide you through the inspection process. If you pass, you're ready for the event. You can exit the call simply by exiting out. When you are ready to play your skills matches, either during your priority time slot or general time frame, navigate to the Skills tab. You will see an option to queue for either driving skills or programming skills. Select the button for whichever option you want to queue for. Remember, you get a maximum of 3 driving skills matches and 3 programming skills matches. If you need to leave the queue for whatever reason, you can always click Leave Queue. Please only join the queue when you are ready to play so the queue flows quickly. Ready to play means your field is reset, your robot is on the field and ready to play, your controller is tethered to the robot, you have your countdown timer set and clearly in view of the camera, and your adult contact is present. When a referee is available, they will invite you to a video call. Again, you will see a video pop up on your console. If you join the queue and you are not ready to play, you will be removed from the match and the match will be scored as a 0. So please only join the queue when you are ready to play. Again, you will see a video pop up on your console. When you are finished running your skills match, the head referee will display what they currently have scored on your event console. You're able to identify the number of red balls scored, number of blue balls scored, what goals are currently owned by each alliance, and of course your skills stop time with the final calculated score. If the score looks good, you can confirm it with the head referee and they will save it. To exit the call, again, simply just click the red X's to navigate out. Please try to complete all of your matches during the priority time slot, as this is the best way to guarantee you'll get all of your matches in during the event. If you want to check your score or other team scores, simply navigate to the Skills Scores tab. Simply click on the magnifying glass to see your score and the details of how it was scored, or click on the magnifying glass for another team's run and see the details of what they scored. If you want to see the current rankings, simply navigate to the Rankings tab. If you're having issues with device permissions, we recommend navigating to the Settings tab and enabling the Open Meeting in a New Tab setting. Instead of having the video call automatically pop up on your event console, you will instead see a link to join a call. To join the call, simply click on the link and it will open the call in a new tab rather than on your event console. If you plan to use a second camera on a separate device to help the referees better score the match, make sure you are logged in on that second device with the same team number and letter. Both devices will receive the same invite prompt, either a pop-up on your event console or the same invite link. Make sure to join from both devices at the same time. One fun feature of the event console is being able to share custom stickers with other teams. To upload a custom sticker to represent your team, go to the Settings tab, click Upload Sticker, and select a photo that you want to use to represent your team. If you don't upload an image, your team sticker will be a default icon with your team letter. To gift a team a sticker, navigate to the Event tab. There, you will see a list of all the teams registered. If you want to gift a team a sticker, click on the Gift Sticker button. You will be then asked to confirm, and you have now gifted your sticker to that team's profile. If you wish to remove a sticker from your own team's profile, simply navigate down to your own team, view your profile, and you can see the stickers that are currently gifted to you, and if you wish to remove one, simply click the red X. If at any point you need to talk to event volunteers while you are not connected to the video platform, use the chat on the far left to type out your message. You can also use the chat to talk to other teams. As a reminder, all messages and stickers sent in the event console should follow the REC Foundation's Code of Conduct. Your ability to use these features will be removed, or you will be disqualified from the event if used inappropriately. Good luck, teams, and have a great championship.